What is PESTLE analysis for marketing and how to use it? Whether you're a startup exploring new markets or an established business looking to stay ahead of the competition, this tool is your secret weapon. Let's dive in. PESTLE stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. It's a strategic framework used to understand the external factors impacting your business. By analyzing these external forces, companies can anticipate changes, adapt their strategies, and even discover new market opportunities. It's essential for long-term strategic planning and risk management. PESTLE helps you identify market opportunities and threats, ensuring your marketing strategies are on point. Now, you might be wondering, how does PESTLE differ from SWOT analysis? While SWOT focuses on internal strengths and weaknesses, PESTLE looks outward at the external factors. Combining both gives a holistic view of your business environment. We offer comprehensive information about PESTLE analysis in our next video, where we break down each component and talk about everything you need to know to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more in-depth insights, visit our website. See you next time.